As you can see, this combo is very basic, but super dynamic. The most important part of this combo is to be able to go from that position to both legs turn. And once you're reaching almost the whole turn, like the whole circle, you open. From there, you're going back, both legs on the floor, turn to other side, finishing in the hook, making step to the side, and now you're ready to go to other side. Again, reaching this position, both legs on the floor and making a turn. Boom, reaching this position, open. From that position, back, turn, hook, step to the side, you're ready to go to other direction. Here are a couple examples from my vocabulary how I'm using this dynamic combo in different variations.